What is up, people? What is up, people? This is Abraham Walker with 𝐋𝐨𝐜 𝐲 your Northern Virginia real estate agent. So we're here at the Nabisco Commons development by Drees Homes. These are 2/2 condos, right? So in our previous video, we looked at the 𝐋𝐨𝐜 model, which is the 2/2 lower level unit. This video is going to be the 𝐿 model. This model here has 3 levels. So on the 3rd level of this building here, we have your kitchen, which is fairly large. You have a dining room. You also have like this little nook area for an office and a living room. You also have a large balcony or deck area, and then on the bedroom level you have 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and then at the very top, your terrace runs the full length and width of your unit. So we're going to see all of those details in this property here. So this property comes with a 1-car garage. There are some butterfly stairs here, so we step up a few steps and we could go down a few steps on the other side to get to your garage. There will be a closet on the, or in between the stairs going up, and that's it. So that's Drees Home. So let's get inside and see what this unit looks like. Before we go into this beautiful home, did you know that there are 3 recommended home inspections for new construction properties? If you didn't, let's work together to ensure you have the best building experience in Northern Virginia. I specialize in assisting buyers like you throughout the entire new construction process. Best of all, the builder covers my real estate commission, which means you'll have no money out of pocket for my services. I'll be with you through your contract negotiation, design center consultation, 3 home inspections, final walkthrough, and the signing of your closing paperwork to receive the keys for your new home. To get started, simply click the link in the description below to complete our perfect home questionnaire. Once completed, we'll meet online via Zoom to answer all your questions about buying a new home in Northern Virginia. But for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this stunning property tour. I'll talk to you soon. So we have 34 to 36 stairs coming up to the main living level. To our left here, we have your balcony, we have a walk-in pantry, we have your powder room, we have another pantry, a little small closet-like area. We have your kitchen, dining room, and then we have 2 living areas I want to show you. Right? So because of the way the stairs are structured to where they're kind of wrapping around each other, you have this really nice nook here to add some additional seating space, right? Some sitting space, right? So one thing I would do over here is, instead of using this as 2 sitting areas, I would maybe have a projector on the wall right there, or like a 100-inch size TV, and then have myself a nice comfy U-shaped couch right there. And this would be a great entertainment space for your guest, maybe when you have some Super Bowl watch parties and the such, right? But if that's not what you're into, then you could really set it up the way they have in this model here, where you have 2 sitting or living areas. So almost like a living room and then a sitting room right here. Another thing I like about the space, so we have our piece of furniture on this wall here. So think of this as a place maybe you display some dishes or furniture. But then you also have your dining room right over here. This is an 8-seater dining room. There's plenty of space for walking right over here, and then also right over there. So that shows us that we can have a nice dinner party in our space. Then we have the kitchen all the way to the back here. I prefer when the kitchen is to the back versus in the middle, because I feel like they never have enough space right here for the dining room, right? So with this layout here, you can decide how much space you want to take up with your dining room, or if you'll have a dining room at all. With the rear kitchen, this is just one of my preferred layouts here. So one thing we like to check with these microwaves over the stove to see if they vent out, and this one does not. This one does not. But you do have a good amount of countertop space with your island right here. Your island has 4 seats on the side. And then we have your living room space to the left of your sink. We have your powder room straight ahead. And then to the right over here, we have the balcony. Now, this is that smaller pantry I was telling you about, and then we also have a walk-in pantry as well. Here is that powder room, which is a very nice size. And then we have your walk-in pantry. I mean, this is perfect. Another thing I want to let you know, if you have one of these walk-in pantries and you get to do a design center phase, put a plug or two in here, okay? You're gonna thank me later. Sometimes you don't want to bring out your appliances from that space. You could just run them from inside of the pantry. So I-95 right over there. And then we have really a nice sized balcony here. I love the size of this door. It's almost like an oversized door here. Those two doors there. I know this is gonna sound crazy, but this is storage, and it's a lot of it too. It's a lot of it. I saw this on the blueprint or the floor plan online, and I thought that was an ingenious design decision. So you do have this outdoor fireplace here. Believe it or not, I am a fan of outdoor fireplaces because they don't take up any space. They don't take up that much space. They have the little TV receptor right there, so you can put a little outdoor TV. This would be a really nice comfy space. I wonder if you could put a ceiling fan up here. That would be a nice touch. So let's go to the bedroom level. Let's count these stairs. 1, 2, 16, 17. Okay, so this space is probably the most controversial space I've seen in a condo. Hear me out. So you have this flex space, right? We have a bathroom right there. We have your 2 guest bedrooms. Then we have a walk-in laundry room, great. And then your owner suite. What are you going to do with this space here? Yes, you can do like a little office space like this, right? I was thinking when I first walked through this space, maybe put a TV on this wall here, put the couch, put a little couch right over here, make this like a secondary living space. I don't know. I almost wish they would have included this square footage inside the bedrooms, right? Give us larger bedrooms, 𝐋𝐸𝐬. Give us a larger owner suite, 𝐋𝐸𝐬. Because this owner suite only has 1 closet. Anybody, I mean, everybody could, you know, could make do with an additional closet space, right? Especially in the owner suite. This is our guest bedroom number 1. We have some people on the wall who I assume can sing. We have our double door closet system right here. And we have some delicious wallpaper right there. So this looks like a full-size bed here, almost a queen, but I think it's a full size. And then we have 1 nightstand on the side there, and then you just put the dresser on this wall here. So really nice. I like these wall sconces right here, but I don't think that they're actually, yeah, I think that these wire, this little pole here actually contains the wire. So you could do this in any space. I really like this. This is cute. All right, let's go into bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2, this is a twin size bed. You have a nightstand there, and then you have your dresser there. I like these rooms that have like this little nook here. Hello, you got your giant mirror right there. We're off to the front of the property. You have another double door closet system. Because twin size beds aren't that popular right now, even for families that have kids, turn this into a full, right? Move that dresser right over there to that corner over there, and then you have a lot more space, right? Because that giant mirror, as cool as it looks, it kind of takes away from doing anything else with this space. So now let's go take a look at that bathroom. I do like that they have the double vanity in the bathroom here. I dislike that they did not give us a light above the shower over here. Remember, in all my videos, I talked to you all about this. If you don't put that light over there, look how dark it looks over there. I mean, it looks dungeony, right? You also could have probably put maybe 4 lights across right there to bring in some additional light into that space. All right, so now we have your walk-in laundry room. So you have your washer and dryer to the right here. There's this little nook for your sink right here. I love those little utility sinks. I'm not sure what people do with them, but I just love having them. And we have your hot water heater and your HVAC system, HVAC. We have the owner's suite right there. So in this owner's bedroom, so we have our king size bed. This bed is huge. We have two large nightstands that are really like desks, right? And then we have your dresser over here. Now, because this is an end unit, I think they didn't want to put the bed on that side. But if you look at the floor plan, I believe that the bed on the interior units will go on this wall. You'd have to get a slightly smaller nightstand, and then you put your dresser on this wall here, because as you can see right there, you have your coax cable and your Ethernet cable. So I think that this wall was always designed to have your TV and whatnot over here. But it is a nice space. It's a nice space. I know why they did this, because it's an end unit. But I just want to kind of explain to you what we're looking at here. In your bathroom, you have two bowls here. You have a nice size space in the middle here for the counter space, and you have this row of drawers right here, so additional storage. We have your linen closet right here, command center over here, and your walk-in shower without a bench. There is no bench right there. So this is another thing that may be controversial. Having the walk-in closet in the bathroom. You know, some people like it, some people don't. Most people don't have a problem with the closet being on the exterior, or access to the closet being on the exterior there. So maybe like a door right over there. But the reason why they didn't put a door right over there is because this wall was supposed to be your TV wall. Okay, so that's everything on the bedroom level. Let's go check out the rooftop terrace. Let's count these stairs. 1, 2, 18, 19. Cool looking mask right over there. One of the things that is not uncommon, but this is all of your landing space before you get to your rooftop terrace. That's not necessarily a big deal, but it is something to keep in mind. And now you have your rooftop terrace. Man, that sun is blinding. Okay, so the rooftop terrace is the full length and width of your unit. So you have opportunities to put a little outdoor ping pong table. You have sitting here, sitting here, sitting there. There's also, we're gonna see a little nook on the other side. But before we do, let me just peek over here. I think they've done a really good job with the height of these walls here. One of the complaints I've heard is that the walls on the rooftop terraces for these 2-over-2 condos, they don't be high enough. So you don't have that sense of privacy. But Dries Homes, I think they did it right. Now, I'm 5'10", 5'11" in my dreams. So this should give you like an idea of just how tall these walls are. Right? And let me show you the last little nook over here. It's right there. So there you have it. If you have any questions about this unit or any other unit on the market, let me know. So this is an example of what your roof looks like if you don't have the terrace option. The terrace option is, if I'm not mistaken, it's a $50,000 to $70,000 upgrade. Is it worth it? I don't know. You know, a lot of people don't like terraces. They don't like them because you essentially have to go to 3 floors up to get here. There's no bathroom on this level. I mean, there's a lot of reasons why people don't like the terraces. But if you have any questions about this development or any other, there's a link in the description to the Perfect Home questionnaire. Fill out that form and we will schedule a time to meet online via Zoom to answer all your questions. Until next time, peace.